Yeah. Whoa, check this out. Look at. Stop doing it. See it? See it light up? Open it. Mrs. Lori uses good tape. What is it? Just a new outfit.
Oh, he
New
blinks.
pants. You see it blinking? It's Wally. Did you see Wally? Did you see Wally? How does he blink?
That's pretty cool.
You wanna try it on? Yeah? If you get to wear it all the time.
No.
Come here, try it on for me.
I don't get
Come here.
Another present, huh?
No present. No present.
More presents.
Yay!
What's in this one?
Huh?
What's inside? Who's that from? Let's read it. Let's read it. It says, to Will from Mrs. Lori and Mr. Bob. You know who that is?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Mr. Bob and me.
From Mr. Bob to you. Mr. Bob is my dad. Aw. Where's your dad? That is your dad.
Hi, buddy. Oh, you come and give me some love. Thanks. Go open your present. What is it?
How'd you know? Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Can you go read that to Dad? There's some good stuff in there.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's read it.
I see peanut butter. I see peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
This peanut butter.
It's an Oreo, silly.
Huh?
That's an Oreo.
You see a cupcake?
Huh?
Is there a cupcake?
See?
That is a cupcake.
Yeah.
How about candy? Do you see candy on there? There's candies on the cupcake, I know. How about milk? Do you see a cup of milk?
See?
Yeah.
See?
Cookies.
Wait, this cookies.
Show me.
See?
Oh yeah. Where's the sandwich? Do you see a sandwich?
See?
Oh yeah.
The sandwich.
Where's the pizza?
Ooh, pizza. You like pizza?
See?
Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Cool, huh?
The beans.
Yeah.
What's this?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
What's this?
Purple beans.
That's
What's this?
That's pasta.
What's
Like
this?
Do
spaghetti.
you like noodles?
What's this?
That's ravioli.
Yeah.
It's like mac and cheese.
Huh?
You like mac and cheese?
Yeah.
That's the max.
Huh?
You see a pair of sneakers?
Huh?
Sneakers?
Yeah.
Where?
Shoes. Oh, those are gloves, silly. What are those?
Jeans.
Jeans, that's
I got
right.
jeans.
You do have jeans.
What's this?
Underpants. You don't wear underpants yet.
No.
No, why not?
It's for girls.
For girls.
Underpants are for girls.
Those are girls' underpants, I'll give you that.
How about boots? Do you see any boots? What color are the boots?
It's red.
They are red.
Where's the baby? Yep. It's a little girl baby.